Hi everybody, hope you're all fine. This is Dr. ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. My dear students, in my today's session, let me discuss with all of you what are the different levels of NPTEL certificate. The question is whether every student who has passed the NPTEL exam will get the same certificate. The answer is no. You will have different levels in the certificate, and those levels depends on how many marks you got. What is your percentage? Based on that, the different levels of certificates have been classified in NPTEL. So my dear students, number one, if you get the percentage between 90 to 100, so this percentage includes your assignment score. This percentage includes your final exam score. And if you are writing any unproctored exam for any subject, it will include that unproctored exam score also. By adding all this, you need to get above 90 to 100. If you get between 90 to 100, then on the certificate along with your name and photograph and the marks, this will be mentioned. What is here? This one, Elite Plus Gold Club. You belongs to this Elite Plus Gold, which means you are the topper here. You are the topper in the course. Toppers generally falls into the category of 90 to 100. And again, if you are in, let us say in that toppers, if you are the top ranker, first ranker, second ranker, that also will be mentioned in the certificate. Okay. And generally the candidates who achieved above 90 on that certificate, Elite Plus Gold will be mentioned. This is one of the highest level of certificate you can get in NPTEL. And in this category only, the first ranker, second ranker, third rankers category also will come. So my dear student, this is first level, and the second level of the NPTEL certificate is between 75% to 89%. So the percentage which I am talking to you here is the entire percentage. It includes the percentage of assignments. If unproctored exam is there, unproctored exam marks plus proctored exam marks, that is final exam marks also. The second level, if your percentage falls between 75 to 89, you will come under the Elite and Silver Club. Elite plus Silver Club will be mentioned on the certificate. And if your percentage is between 60 to 74, only the Elite will be mentioned in the certificate. Okay. Now, one more thing is, if your percentage falls below between 40 to 49, so the least marks that should be the least marks that you need to get in NPTEL to be declared as qualified is 40. Okay, 40 to 59. Let us say you got above 50 also, that is 40 to 59, then simply you will get this successful completion certificate, which means in that certificate no elite tag will be there. Whereas if you see in all the remaining top 3 levels, elite tag will be there, and in that elite also silver and gold will be separately mentioned for the candidates based on the percentages. Okay, so this is the last level. If any candidate has to be declared successful in NPTEL exam, then the candidate should get at least 40%. 40 to 59 means successfully completed. Sir, what happened if I get below 40? So, sir, if I get 39, what is my fate? The answer is you are not eligible and you will be considered as fail. Okay, clearly it will be mentioned that you are failed in the NPTEL final exam, and again you need to write second time in order to pass that exam. My dear students, always try to keep the target in the first level, that is 90 to 100, because when we show this type of certificates, when we attend interviews, compulsory it will add weightage to our value. Okay, so I hope that these levels of these certificates are clear to you. With this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz.